Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Today we're going to take a quick look at a dryer and of course the little dryer vent that has to be cleaned out of lint. And in this case you might have an inline lint trap that maybe you might have forgotten about, and we want to take a look at that and show you the importance of that. So here we go. We're going to show you the dryer. There is the little filter in here. We'll bring that out. Basically the mesh comes off and you can see the other part of the unit there. You can clean that mesh out of lint. You're going to put this back in your dryer and you think you're all set to go, but guess what? The inline lint trap, which is right above, there it is right there. We're going to reach over. We're going to pull this out here. Oh, look how dirty that is. That prevents the lint from going downstream in the system and clogging up that vent pipe. So it's very easy. We can go clean that filter off and then put that back in. See how ugly that is? And we'll take a look at that little box. That's where it slides back into. Folks, if you have an inline lint trap, don't forget to clean that out once in a while, because you can actually have a fire. If you like this video, please press subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time. Bye.